Can't right click on your MacBook? Here's the fix. All right, so simply all you have to do is put your two fingers, go to the website. When you want to right click, use two fingers on the trackpad, hold down, and then you'll see the option. Then you use one finger to keep one finger on to scroll down, up or down, and then you could save image as or whatever, for example. Once again, let me demonstrate. So should we try to go to another image? So then let's see if it works here. We go ahead, use two fingers on trackpad, and then this will come out. And if it does not come out, what we're going to want to do is go to the Apple icon. Then we're going to go to settings, system settings on the top, second one. Once we click system settings, we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to trackpad right here, trackpad. And then we're going to want to make sure that secondary click or tap with two fingers is on. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure that there's a couple of different options. So it might be off. If it's off, that is why you cannot use two fingers to tap on your, or to hold down on your trackpad and act as like the right click on a mouse, right? You know, mouse. So then usually you would use a right click and then the menu would come out. So make sure that you go to system settings, then trackpad on the bottom, and then you'll go to secondary click right here. Make sure that it is on. Click or tap with two fingers. So once we do that, then we can go to whatever, and then all we have to do is go with two fingers, push down, and then keep one finger on it, and you can scroll up and down. All right, guys, try that at home. I hope this video helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.